So there was this one time when Sterling needed a really big lawnmower to mow his lawn when he didn't live in this place, and his lawn was like 20 times bigger. He got a tractor with a belly mower on it. 1947 Model B. Long hood.
With the Continental Belton belly mower.
Continental belly mower.
Yeah. It did a good job.
Did a good job, except for the sketchy fact of you had to know what you were doing, or else you might
And no live power.
run it into a tree or something.
Yeah.
So, like, first and second gear went out on it or something, and then it was like, oh, I'll just replace the gears in this transmission. And then it turned into, like, taking it completely apart, and then we ended up hanging out. And I was like, oh, this is kind of fun. This is really cool, learning how things work. And I was like, hey, you want to restore it for FFA? And I was like, oh, that sounds like fun. Okay. So then we did that, and then,
Well,
yeah.
I was also like, I know a guy that works at Deere. His name is Roger, and you could probably like job shadow with him. Which I don't know if you actually did or not.
Yeah.
You did? Okay. So yeah, there you go.
Yep. And that
Worked
was my
out.
life story.
Okay. Nobody cares anymore.